This is Madhusudhakar Malle. Today we will discuss next permutation, this issue, this problem. Okay, this is DSA love Babbar seat. Okay, come here. So I will explain you the problem. Okay, you see this given array of sizes n, and the task to print the lexicographical. Lexicographical means it's like a next maximum number. Suppose if you you open this one, you see here, suppose if you give 1 2 3 8 with the same numbers, what is the maximum we can make it? 132. Okay, in simple words, next largest number using the same numbers. Okay, come here. Okay, this is the input array, and output they are expecting this one. Okay, 1 2 3 6 5 4 they have given, and what is the next largest element for this one? Okay, even Leetcode also having the same problem. You see here, right? If you give 1 2 3 using with the same numbers, what is the largest number? 132. Suppose if you take this one 2 3 1, what is the next largest element for this using the same numbers? 312. So okay, suppose here 3 to 1, then don't do anything, just reverse it. Okay, so this is I will explain this also. Okay, now come here. So we will take this example. I will explain the logic first. I will explain the issue first. Okay, so first you take the 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. If you take 1 2 3, we will make it as a possible permutations. Okay, the array size is 3. So if it is 3, using with the same numbers, how many permutations we can make? This one, 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. So all 6 permutations we can make it. Okay, how to make it I will tell you. Suppose if you take this one, right? So you keep it here. Okay, and if you increment to next element, let me write this. If you are here, you can make it this one. Okay, if you increment this to here, right? So first you print 1. Okay, and in the beginning index, 0th index, you can keep it this 2. Okay, and come here, come this side, you can keep as it is here, and first index you can make this value. You can store this 2 second value 2. Okay, now increment to third up to here. Okay, so now we have this array, right? This one. Okay, first consider this only. So we already have the array 2 comma 1. So what you do, you can keep as it is here, the 2 comma 1. Okay, the 0th index you can keep this one, third one, I. Okay, you can keep this one. Okay, this is 0th one. Next come here. Okay, 2 comma 1, right? We have array 2 comma 1. What do you do? First index keep it as it is, and second index, right? Whatever the second index, you can keep this 3 into here, and the third index you can keep as it is 1. Okay, you see here, this one, this is first index, this is second index, and this is third index. Okay, 2 comma 1 it will come as it is, and the last position, I mean third position, right? It will come. Okay, now this is over. Okay, now come to this side. This is also the same. The first what you do, 1 comma 2 you can take, and 0th index you can keep into the 3, this one. Okay, and here, right, you see here, now we are 3 only, here, right, 3. Okay, 1 comma 2 as it is in middle, we keep 3. Okay, keep it 3. Come to the third one. First 1 comma 2 as it is, and the last one, right, the third position. So we are keeping the third element. Okay, now you see see how many permutations, total six permutations, right? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But this is not in order. This is not in order. So what you do, you can you can sort it using any predefined sorting algorithms. Okay, predefined sorting algorithms like any bubble sort or whatever, merge sort, whatever. Okay, you can use those and sort it. So once you sort, it will come like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, this is for 1, 2, 3. What is the next largest element for this one? Largest number: 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. This is one combination, right? 23, 32. Okay, suppose if we take this one 2, 1, 3, what is the next largest, not largest, next largest is 231. You see that two combination, this is 13, this is 31, right? 213, 231. Okay, this is the next largest number. Okay, suppose if you take this one, right, 312, what is the next largest number? This one. Okay, 321. You see, suppose if you take this three combinations, this is 12, this is 20, 21 is larger, right? So that's yeah, that's why. Okay, yeah, this is the logic we have to write. But wait, if we use sorting, any sorting like bubble sort, whatever, any kind of sorting algorithm, what is the time complexity? Time complexity is this one. Suppose if you take bubble sort, order of n square is the time complexity in worst case. Best case, order of n. So please read this one, understand this one. So that's why what we do, instead of this we will go for optimal solution. Okay, I will explain you that. Okay, yeah, so instead of this one, we will go for optimal. Okay, what we do, we will take this one 1, 2, 3. For 1, 2, 3, what is the largest number? Next largest, not largest, next largest number. What is this? 132. Okay, yeah, I will explain this one. I'm going down. Okay, you come here. Yeah, I will give logic in 2 steps only. Okay, with only 2 steps it works. This scenario, you see 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. This is input array. Okay, just tell me 1, 2, 3 using the same numbers. So which one is the largest? 32, right? So this is 123 and 132. 132 is the largest. How it come? Suppose if you swap j to ith position and I to jth position, then 132 come. Clear? Just swap it these two elements. And what basis you are swapping? You see here, this is j, last index is j and this is I. Okay, this j is greater than I, right? J is greater than I, so that's why we are swapping. So if you swap 32, if it is by default 23, so 32 is larger, right? So this is the j is the larger element, so we are keeping into left side. Okay, now we will get the larger element, next larger element, largest element. Okay, this is one scenario. So this scenario 1, these 2 steps is enough. First you find the I means I is less than j, so 2 is less than j, right? This condition satisfies, then you can swap it. 2 steps, it's over, it's very easy. Okay, this scenario 1. Come to the second scenario. Okay, in this scenario we have more than 3 numbers. So what should we do now? Okay, now the same, you can consider this one is a j. Okay, first you find the I which is less than j. Okay, from here to where to? From here. let me take from here to here, go from left to right, left to right. Okay, consider this is the j. Okay, consider this is the j and try to find the lesser element than this one. The same what we did in the scenario 1, right? So we are taking j, we are trying to find the lesser element. If 3 is less than, right, then swapping. The same in scenario 2 also. Okay, so you come here, first j is here. Okay, I is this one, the first time. 5 comma 4, 5 is greater, no, right? Then go to here I. Okay, let me draw, I will explain this. Okay, okay, now I is here, j is this one. So I is less than 4, I mean 5 is less than 4, no. What you do, you can decrement I. Okay, you can decrement I to here. Okay, now what is the I is the 6. Okay, what is the j is the 4. 6 is less than 4, no. So again you decrement it to here. Okay, now what is the I? 3. What is the j? 4. You see here I is less than, right? Okay, I is less than. So what is I? You can keep into one variable I. What is I? I equal to 3. Okay, I equal to 3. The step 1 is over. Find I which is less than a. Step 1 is over. Okay, now swap it. Swap from here to there. Okay, so after swapping, how it will come? You see, it will come like this. This one. 4 it will come here, 3 it will come here. Okay. Next, what should we do? You see here, by looking these two, suppose if this is the input array. Okay, 1 2, this is input and this is the output. Just assume, is this the lesser element, next larger element? No, right? Because 3 is here, 356, it will come less than this one. So this is 124. So you can make like this, right? Next larger, 124, 356. Okay, it is it is next larger to this number, right? For this one. Okay, 134,654. If you take this is an input array, what is the next larger? This one, not this one. This is larger than this one. This is larger than this one, right? So what we need to do, we need to reverse to arrange this one. Okay, we need to arrange. So you come here, where is the I is this position, I is this position. Okay, we need to reverse this element from I plus 1 to j. Okay, now you see, if we reverse 124 as it is, it will come, and 3 it will come to 6 position, and 5 it's the same, it will come, and 6 it will come here. This is the output. Okay, this is the scenario 2. Okay, I will explain one more scenario. See here, how many steps? Here how many steps? 3 steps, right? First I, next swap, then reverse. 3 steps. Okay, now come to the one more scenario. This is the third scenario. Okay, this is the input array. Consider this as a j, the last element as a j. Okay, and try to find the I from left side to right side. Okay, which one is less than I, less than or equal to? If you come here, 2 is less than 1, no. 3 is less than 1, no. 4 is less than 1, no. 5 is less than 1, no. 6 is less than 1, no. 7, no. 8, no. 1, yeah, you see here, less than or equal to 1. Then you can swap. This 2 you can swap. So this it will go to this index, and this one it will come to this index, right? The same it will come, because um, number is same. Okay, now what you do, okay, now you can, the j you can decrement, j. Okay, again what you do, you try to find the I. 3 is less than 2, no. 4 is less than 2, no. 5 is less than 2, no. 6 is less than 2, no. 7 is less than 2, no. 8 is less than 2, no. 2 is less than 2, yes. 2 it will come to this position, and 1 it will go to 2th position. Let me draw this one. 1 it will go to this one, and 2 it will go to this index. It will swap. Okay, after swapping, okay, your I is here, right? Now you take this one from here to this one, then reverse it. This is the third. Okay, this is the this is the fourth step. Okay, here you see there is one more step came, right? First we are finding the I. Okay, second find the j which is greater than I, which is similar to same, greater than or equal to. Okay, let me write greater than or equal to. Oh, what happened? Sorry. Here, greater than or equal to I. Okay, you see in this case greater than and equal to, right? Greater than and equal to. Then we need to find the j. So j we are decrementing from here to, first it was in this position. Now after swapping, then I can decrement to this one. So now j also we found. Okay, then third step is swap I comma j. Fourth yeah, we already swapped, right? 2 it will go here, and 1 it will come here. This 2, you see this one, third one after swapping. Okay, now reverse the remaining. You can reverse this one. You see this one is the output. Got it? Okay, see how many steps we have? You see 1 2 3 4. We have the 4 steps. Okay, using these 4 steps, okay, we will resolve that issue. Okay, these steps it will give the optimal solution. Okay, yeah, you are clear, right? Suppose if we sort this one, what will happen? The time complexity we need to consider. What is the time complexity? We don't know which algorithm you are going to use for sorting. Okay, so what I have explained, the optimal, I think you are clear, right? I have explained only the 4 steps. If we do these 4 steps, so we will get the output, expected output. What is the expected output? Next largest element. Okay, next largest element we are expecting. Yeah, we'll go to write a code. So yeah, first I have explained this scenario, right? 1 2 3, come here. 1 2 3, where is this scenario 1? Yeah, I will explain this one. Okay, or else I will directly write the all steps. I have already explained, right? I will write the code. Okay, now you see I comma j I have taken. Okay, now step 1. What is the step 1? We know, right? Let me write the step 1. Step 1 is this one. Let me copy this and store it. Keep it here. This is step 1. Okay, while, using while, array of j is less than or equal to array of I. It means, suppose if you take this one, right? So we need to find I. We need to traverse from here to there. So we have to compare each element. First 4 compare with 5, and 4 compare with 6. Okay, so up to we reach here. So once we reach here, then don't satisfy this condition. Okay, that is the condition I have written in else if condition. Okay, and we will reach up to here, right? In this one, suppose if we cross out of this array, if we come this side, right, left side, so we will handle that case also, I greater than or equal to 0. I have written one more condition. Okay, now what it will do, we are finding the I which is lesser than the j. You see here, I will explain this array. Suppose if you take this 4, okay, 4 is less than or equal to 5. This is I, this is j, this is I. 4 is less than or equal to 5. No, I am decrementing. Now decrementing what? Decrementing I it will go to here, and j same. 6 is less than or equal to 4. It will go like this. Okay, now we found the I, right? Now what we need, come to here, we need steps 2, this one. Okay, I will keep step 2. Okay, we need to find out j. Okay, j also the same. Okay, in this case we are decrementing, right? J also the same. So I is over, we found the I. Okay, now j, right? You see here, from here to here we are finding, right? So step 2 also I have written j minus minus. This is also fine. Then what is the next step? Swap I comma j. Okay, we need to swap. Let me copy this. I will write here. Swap I comma j. Okay, we will write one separate method for swapping. Okay, for swapping we are giving input array and int I and int j. Fine. So I'm taking one temp variable to store array of I, and array of I I'm replacing with array of j. Okay, I mean this last the last one I'm replacing with this one, and array of j. So I am replacing with I mean temp. Okay, this is temp. Swap method is ready. Then we'll call this method for swapping. Swap arr comma I comma j. So we are swapping. The third step also over. Okay, this is over. Third step also over. What is the fourth step? So we need to reverse. Okay, we need to reverse. This is the fourth step. Reverse of for what? You see here. So after swapping, so we are reversing this one, right? Reversing this entire array. So yeah, you see here, this is also, this scenario also we are swapping. So up to here we are swapping is over. This is I, from swapping from where? I plus 1 to j. Okay, that is the last step. Total 4 steps only. This is very easy, just you need to remember these steps. Okay, we need reverse method, right? Reverse. Let me write that reverse method. Okay, while see, while reversing this I, it should less than j. Okay, I am writing that condition. I is less than j. Now what should we do? We should swap, right? Reverse means if you swap this, then it will be it will reverse. We already have the swap method. Okay, I will call this one swap. Okay, passing the same array and I and j, this values. Okay, after swapping, what we need to do, swap is over, then we need to increment and decrement. Increment I and decrement. Suppose if you are here, you see here, right? So we need to increment of swapping is over. Now we have to come to this index, right? We need to increment, and this is decrement. Okay, I plus plus and j minus minus, and over. The code is ready, the optimal solution it is ready. Okay, first we'll go for scenario 1. Oh, I didn't call this method. What we call here, I or I plus 1, I or I plus 1, come to here. So I or I plus 1, you see we are I plus 1, right? I plus 1. So this is already we arranged this one. So from I plus 1 to j we need to reverse. So that's why I'm passing this I plus 1. Okay, j. Now reverse also over. Let me print sys dot out dot println. Okay, yeah, you see here 1 2 3 I'm giving as a input, and I'm expecting 132 I'm expecting the next largest number. It is running. Wait for some time. Expected where? Here. Okay, syntax. Yeah, it is running. You see here 132 came. We are up to here, we are good, right? Up to here we are good. Okay, yeah, we'll go for this one. Okay, let me copy. This is scenario 2. Let me run it. So 1 2 3 6 5 4, what is the next largest number? 1 2 4 3 5 6, 1 2 5 3 4. I think this is for gigs. Let's check. 1 2 3 6 5 4 we have given input array. 1 2 4 3 5 6, 1 2 4 3 5 6. Yeah, you see here expecting the same. This scenario is also correct. Okay, now we'll go for another scenario. Okay, so we covered all scenarios. I will explain you, right? We are failing. Yeah, you see here -1 it is coming. Where it is coming? For line number 45 where? This one swapping, this one, right? This one. Okay, so what we are doing, let me take this example. I will explain you. Okay, so this we need you take this as an input array. Okay, 3 2 1. Okay, 2 is the I, 1 is the j. 2 is less than 1? No. Then decrement to here 3. 3 is less than 1? No. Okay, where it will go? It will go to -1 only, right? 0th index is already over. Minus means it will go out, right? So that's why what we have to do, this one. Okay, we need to keep into the one if condition. So I is greater than or equal to 0, then only you can swap. Find the j and swap these two. Okay, you got it, right? Why we are adding this condition? If you take this example, so the we cannot find a lesser value compared with the j. Okay, so that's why I'm adding this condition. Let's try to execute this and see. It is running. You see here 1 2 3 it's come, right? Come come to the Leetcode. The Leetcode, suppose 3 2 1 if you give as the input array, what expecting? 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, the same 1 2 3 we are getting. Okay, yeah, we'll try to execute this piece this code in Leetcode. I will show you. I already executed the same code. You see here, this is the code I've written, and I have executed also in the Leetcode. You see the same code. Okay, the same code. So you see here, yeah, it's success, right? it's success 100%. Okay, this is very easy. You see, I am remembering these on all steps. Code also is very less. Okay, you see what we are doing. First we are finding the I which is less than I, and we are finding the j which is less than j, which is less than which is greater than I. Okay, if greater than means swapping, then reverse. Only 4 steps. Okay, this is simple code and easy, very simple. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for patience. Thank you.